Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Here is Dr. Imran from Pakistan. Today, topic is stop smoking with homeopathy. Smoking is a dangerous addiction because it can cause serious illness, even cancer, even death. When someone smokes every day, blood gets addicted to carrying nicotine and carbon dioxide from lungs to each and every cell instead of oxygen. And in the lungs, volumes get reduced and every cell in body is deprived from oxygen. Smoking may cause cancer of the esophagus, bladder, kidney, liver, stomach, pancreas, and several problems in pregnancy as well. Several severe heart condition may also be developed. That smoking is very dangerous for one health. Many people are smoking every day. Homeopathy is a natural, safe, effective, and inexpensive way of helping people quit smoking. Homeopathy also offer a natural way to cope with nicotine withdrawal symptoms. Symptoms of nicotine withdrawal. There are many smokers which attempt to quit smoking every year. Experts thought believe that smoking is one of the hardest habits to get rid of. What is making quieting so difficult in the extremely unpleasant withdrawal symptoms? People will experience withdrawal as a set of physical symptoms that when the addictive substance are also used anymore. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms, while likely peak within a 2 to 3 day period, the symptoms mentioned below will often disappear after 2 weeks. But some may experience nicotine withdrawal to several months. The following are symptoms associated with nicotine withdrawal: cough, intense nicotine craving, tingling in feet and hand, insomnia, headache, sweating, nausea, and intestine cramping, depression, weight gain, sore throat, and coughing, difficulty, focusing, irritability, anxiety. About 6 million premature deaths are triggered due to the use of tobacco. Smoking affects health and say that around 6 lakhs of people die due to passive smoking. Therefore, kicking the butt is actually beneficial. Nicotine removal indication will likely peak within a 2 or 3 days period. These symptoms will actually disappear after 2 weeks, but some may experience nicotine withdrawal for quite a few months. These are symptoms allied with nicotine. So, depression, weight gain, sleeplessness, headache, extreme nicotine cravings, nervousness, bad temper, difficult in concentrating, irritation in feet and hands, sore throat, and coughing. Sign and symptoms of nicotine withdrawal. The nature of tobacco craving is characterized differently as per the individual. The physical and psychological factor that motivate it alter it or enhance it could be totally different. Learning how to quiet tobacco naturally can be tough, but taking it step by step to quiet will likely be one of the better decisions a person will make. The main roadblock a person can confront are the emotional triggers like craving, mood swings, and anxiety. These are due to the nicotine withdrawal and the lack of sense of withdrawal. Homeopathy fix these emotional triggers and work at the safest and the deepest levels to help avoid smoking. So now I want to talk about some homeopathic remedies which help in nicotine or tobacco craving. First remedy is Aconite. Aconite. Aconitum. Aconite is a wonderful remedy for acute stress and has also been used for dreams and nightmares, vertigo, headache with an associated boiling sensation, red inflamed eyes, dry mouth and throat, intense thirst, vomiting and short dry croupy cough, tingling in the throat and chest pain brought on the coughing. Symptoms arose at night and after midnight, dry cold wind and warm rooms and better for open airs. We are used Aconite in 30C, Aconite in 200C, and Aconite in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Arsenicum album. Arsenicum. Arsenicum. Album. Arsenicum album. The arsenicum type displays a classic picture of the recently ex-smoker restlessness, shifting, fearful, easily exhaust, emaciated, and any area of pain often has a burning character. Also seen here may be an unquestionable thirst, burning eyes, respiratory cataract, and lung pain. Symptoms are rose in wet weather, are cold and better for heat and warm drinks. We are used Arsenicum album in 6C, Arsenicum album in 12C, Arsenicum album in 30C, Arsenicum album in 200C, Arsenicum album in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Caladium sec. Caladium, Caladium space SEG, Caladium sec. One of the great tobacco craving remedy, Caladium promotes a dislike for tobacco, often to the point of nausea or vomiting. If used when smoking, a keynote symptom for this remedy is a dread of motion, headache, memory loss, asthma may also be noted here. Symptoms are rose for motion and better after sleep. Coldness is characteristic. Coldness here and it's often accompanied by a throbbing headache, insomnia, weak bradycardia, and violent dry hacking cough. Symptoms arose at night and from motion and better from warmth. We are used Caladium sag in mother tincture. Caladium sag in 1x in 2x. Caladium sag 3C. Caladium sag in 6C. Caladium sag in 12C. Caladium sag in 30C. Caladium sag in 200C and Caladium sag in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Daphne indica. DAPHNE Daphne INDICA. Like Caladium, Daphne is one of the most frequently used remedies for tobacco craving. The symptoms that correspond to it include insomnia, a bursting headache, shooting pain in the extremities, twitching, burning pain in the stomach, and fetid breath. We are use this remedy in 30C and in 200C according to the patient condition. Next remedy is eugenia. Eugenia. With smoking is nausea that's improved by smoking. One may from time to time encounter a patient who's attempting at smoking or constantly by nausea that relieved by smoking and in the instance. Eugenia can be very effective. We are used this remedy in 30C and in 200C according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Plantago. Plantago. Plantago is indicated for nicotine, the historical term applied to tobacco craving, and its tincture from has been found to produce to tobacco. The presence of depression, insomnia, constipation of diarrhea, as well as may indicate a need for this its use. We are used Plantago in mother tincture, Plantago in 3C, Plantago in 6C, Plantago in 12C, Plantago in 30C, and Plantago in 200C according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Staphysagria. 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 The guarding symptoms for Staphysagria include hypersensitivity, insomnia, headache, and desire for stimulate. This obviously includes tobacco and itchy skin. Symptoms arose from emotional disturbance and the touch of other on affected parts and better from warmth and rest after sundown. Staphysagria we are used commonly in 6C, Staphysagria in 12C, Staphysagria in 30C, Staphysagria in 200C and in 1M Staphylococcus aureus in 10 m, in 50 m, and in cm. Actually, Staphylococcus aureus work on mind symptoms. So next remedy is tobacco. Next remedy is tobacco. Tabacum, tobacco. Like Nuxomica, some say that tobacco assists in the elimination of the toxin carried by tobacco smoke. This is yet to be proved, but it certainly does appear to have a significant effect on tobacco craving, where it is indicated the symptoms that may be used to confirm this include cold extremities, sick headache in the early morning, indication, indigestion, palpitations or vertigo, hypertension, dizziness, nausea, confusion, a lack of concentration. Symptoms arose at night and better during the day, and slow motion use may also be made of variation of this remedy. Tobacco humor, a remedy manufactured from tobacco smoke in low potency as an emergency measure for acute craving. While tobacco craving, it is a challenge to modern day medicine. However, homeopathy can provide some standing with it is very effective selenium. So we are use tobacco in 6C, tobacco in 200C. Tobacco is 6C, tobacco in 12C, tobacco in 30C, and tobacco in 200C, according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Agnatia amara. Ignatia, Agnatia, Amara, Agnatia amara. It is a medication often used for anxiety with tobacco craving, and it is frequently allied with a marked sensory hypersensitivity. Other symptoms may compromise mood swings, depression, headache, dry cough, pain in neck and back. These symptoms arose in the morning and at the night. We are use Agnatia Mara in 30C, Agnatia Mara in 200C, Agnatia Amara 30C and in 200C and in 1M according to the patient condition. So now I want to share some one protocol which we are commonly used in our clinical practice. So first remedy is Caladium sag in 30C, Nux vomica in 30C, mix together these two remedies and use 3 times a day. Caladium sag and Nux vomica, mix together these two remedies and use 3 times a day. So my next protocol is First remedy is Agaricus 30C, Agaricus Agaricus 30C, and Echinacea 30C, Echinacea Echinacea 30C, and Robinia 30C, Robinia 30C, and Tabacum, Tabacum 30C. Mix together these all four remedies in 30C and use 3 times a day. I repeat again, Agaricus 30C, Echinacea 30C, Robinia 30C, and Tobacum 30C. Mix together these four remedies and use 3 times a day. So this is all what I have. So B, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay, it's your turn now.
I did not have much time to prepare because I just saw that this morning, and I also don't have much on it at all. I have one protocol that I am aware of. It comes from Joette Calabrese, and it goes as follows. Excuse me. As you know, I was sick again last Sunday, so I've got some leftover garbage. For cigarette addiction, tobacco addiction, it's 2 remedies. They are taken separately. The first one is Tabacum 200C twice a day. And the second one is Nux Vomica 30C twice a day. And I believe that is all that I have. Let me take a quick. Yes, the rest is other types of addiction. So that is everything that I have.
Was the Nux 200C also, please?
That was 30, which is, I find that 30C is used a lot. So I'm not surprised that they settled on Nux Vomica 30C. Again, those are taken separately. And that came from Joette Calabrese. And that's all I have.
So I have one more protocol for stop smoking. This is also a very good combination. So first remedy is Avena Stiva, Avenasativa, Avena Stiva. Avena Stiva in mother tincture. And second remedy is Grandelia in mother tincture. Grandelia, Grandelia in mother tincture. And third remedy is Lobelia inflata, Lobelia, Lobelia, Infletia, Lobelia inflata in mother tincture. And fourth remedy is Zingiber in mother tincture, Zingiber, Zingiber in mother tincture. Mix all four mother tincture as equal and use 5 drops 3 times a day in half cup of water before half hour meal, or you want uh, when you feel craving for smoking. So anyone have a question about this topic? So I'm here to answer.
Yes, would you have a protocol or a remedy for someone who quit smoking about 2 years ago, cold turkey, has not had a craving, but you know that it's still in their system? Is there anything that they could take now?
Can you repeat again?
um, Someone who quit smoking over 2 years ago,
Okay.
cold turkey, no drugs, no nothing, just quit, has no cravings or anything, but is there anything you could recommend that they take to like cleanse their system of what they did for forever?
So right now, no craving for smoking,
Nothing.
no cough, no craving, no constipation.
No side effects whatsoever.
It sounds like they want to know how to clear the lungs from any damage that might have occurred.
Actually, that's
Yeah.
why I asked if anybody have, if smoking and have cough, broncho cough, wheezing sound, constipation, loss of appetite, loss of taste, then we need to give something for if any, if have any symptoms. If don't have any symptoms, then I think no need to take any remedy.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, always welcome, dear.
Dr. Imran, I did find one more. If you'll hold on a second, I found one more.
Yeah, sure.
As you know, I will often look into the rate charts to see if there's anything in there. Under the Yvonne Combe, C-O-M-B-E, Yvonne Combe chart, there is a remedy called addiction to tobacco smoke. And the rate for that is 11234. For anyone who has a remedy maker, it is 11234. And again, they do not provide potencies. They do not provide dosage recommendations as to frequency. So I always try to do one on a high end, high potency, and one on a low end. And for frequency, I just muscle test throughout the day and see how many you need. But there's another one for those folks that have remedy makers.
So anyone have another question about this topic? Okay, I want to say thanks to everyone. Next Sunday, same time, we meet again here with new topic. And thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Dr. Ikram and Imran. Sorry, I always get the two of you confused. Dr. Imran, thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. Imran.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.